Hi, welcome to the Divine Science of Astrology. In this video, we will know Scorpio Ascendant Lord in different houses. We will also know the favorable houses, the favorable fields, and the favorable conjunctions for Scorpio Ascendants. Watch till the end and subscribe my channel. Welcome to my channel Solar Astro. Scorpio Ascendants. For getting better results, your ascendant should not be hemmed between two malefics like Saturn or Rahu. If ascendant is hemmed between two malefics, then you have to put lot of efforts to overcome obstacles and oppositions in your life. If any benefic planet aspects the ascendant, you will become even stronger. Your ascendant in Navamsha chart, that is D9 chart, should not be 6th, 8th or 12th house of your birth chart. That is, your ascendant in D9 should not be Aries or Gemini or Libra sign. To some extent, your ascendant in D9 could be Aries sign, because Aries is own sign of ascendant lord Mars. If your ascendant is any one of these signs in D9 chart, then you have to put more efforts and you have to face lot of problems to rise in your life. If ascendant degrees lies between 0 to 10 degrees, even though there are many obstacles in earning money, you may earn lot of money. You will have two sources of income. You are attracted towards speculative businesses like stock market. You are advised not to be hasty in taking financial decisions. 14, 22, 23, 29, 30, 40, 41 and 45 are important years in your life. If ascendant degrees lies between 10 to 20 degrees, you live in dreams world. You have good financial ideas. Your financial position depends on position of Jupiter in your birth chart. If you have money, you spend recklessly. On the other hand, if you do not have money, you spend cautiously. 25, 32, 41, 49, 57 and 63 are important years in your life. If ascendant degrees lies between 20 to 30 degrees, then you earn good amount of wealth. You take wise decisions in financial matters. You do not believe anybody in financial matters. Sometimes you lose money by deception or thieves may steal your money. If ascendant lord Mars is in first house in Scorpio sign, then you are talented. You rise in your life by your own efforts. You will have lot of willpower, you are courageous and you will have immovable properties. To the outside world, you appear to be ruthless, hard hearted and forceful. If Mars is afflicted in your birth chart, you may face problems in marital life. You may also have tooth problems and stomach problems. Mars from first house aspects 4th house, 7th house and 8th house. Therefore, first house, 4th house, 7th house and 8th houses are favorable houses. Self-employment, property dealing, real estate, occult, secret services, insurance, food industry are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Mars is in second house in Sagittarius sign, then you have good oratory skills, you have good talking power. There is no dearth of money for you. You will have wealth and power, but if Mars is afflicted in your birth chart, you may be in turmoil. There may be break in studies. You may suffer ear and eye problems. Mars from second house aspects 5th house, 8th house and 9th house. Therefore, second house, 5th house, 8th house and 9th houses are favorable houses. Finance, family business, advisory, foreign travel agencies or favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Mars is in third house in Capricorn sign, then Mars is exalted here. You are courageous and hardworking person. You rise in your life by your own efforts. You accumulate lot of wealth in later part of your life. This position is good for you, but this position is bad for your siblings. You may not have either good relationships with your siblings or your siblings may suffer badly. Mars from third house aspects 6th house, 9th house and 10th houses. Therefore, third house, 6th house, 9th house and 10th houses are favorable houses. Communication fields, software, IT, administration, management, sports, law, medical or favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Mars is in 4th house in Aquarius sign, then you are a born leader. You lead comfortable and luxurious life. You will have landed property. You will see both highs and lows in life. If Mars is connected with Jupiter or Moon, it gives high status to you. If Mars is afflicted in your birth chart, you may have problems in your marital life. Mars from 4th house aspects 7th house, 10th house and 11th house. Therefore, 4th house, 7th house, 10th house and 11th houses are favorable houses. Real estate, property dealing, own business, administration, management are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Mars is in 5th house in its friendly sign Pisces, then you are a lucky person. You always have divine blessings. You are attracted towards speculation. But if Mars is afflicted in your birth chart, you may face stomach problems and this placement is not good for your children. Mars from 5th house aspects 8th house, 11th house and 12th house. Therefore, 5th house, 8th house, 11th house and 12th houses are favorable houses. Speculative business, creative fields, own business, foreign travel agencies are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Mars is in 6th house in its own sign Aries, then your life is free of diseases, enemies and debts. You are mentally a strong person. You have full control over others. This is financially very good position. You gain from your maternal relations. If Mars is associated with Rahu or Saturn, you will achieve high status. If Mars is afflicted in your birth chart, then you may involve in court cases or litigations. Mars from 6th house aspects 9th house, 12th house and 1st house. Therefore, 1st house, 6th house, 9th house and 12th houses are favorable houses. Self-employment, law, medical line, foreign agencies, advisories are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Mars is in 7th house in Taurus sign, then you love only yourselves. You will succeed more in foreign land or away from your homeland. You may have problems in marital life. If Mars is afflicted in your birth chart, it may give problems to your elder son. Mars from 7th house aspects 10th house, 1st house and 2nd house. Therefore, 1st house, 2nd house, 7th house and 10th houses are favorable houses. Self-employment, hotel business, food industry, own business, administrative fields are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Mars is in 8th house in Gemini sign, then you will have long life. You get inherited property. You may have secret income. There may be problems in your marital life. You are a wealthy person, but surrounded by worries and mental agonies. If Mars is afflicted in your birth chart, you may be sick also. Mars from 8th house aspects 11th house, 2nd house and 3rd house. Therefore, 2nd house, third house, 8th house and 11th houses are favorable houses. Communication fields, IT, software, secret services, own business are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Mars is in 9th house in Cancer sign, then Mars is debilitated here. You are materialistic person and you have practical approach towards life. You will have good status, you will have landed properties and vehicles, but you will have low immunity. Luck always favors you. You will have large number of followers. You visit foreign countries. Your son will have higher status than you and your son will be more famous than you. This position is not good for your mother. Mars from 9th house aspects 12th house, 3rd house and 4th house. Therefore, 3rd house, 4th house, 9th house, 12th houses are favorable houses. Foreign travel agencies, communication fields, real estate, property dealings, travel agencies are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Mars is in 10th house in its friendly sign Leo, then you are a blessed person. You live like a king. You are good administrator and enjoy life. Mars has directional strength here. It is very good position for Mars. You are an independent person. If Mars is associated with Jupiter or Saturn or Venus, it gives Raja Yoga. You command respect in society. Mars from 10th house aspects 1st house, 4th house and 5th house. Therefore, 1st house, 4th house, 5th house and 10th houses are favorable houses. Self-employment, real estate, creative fields, administrative jobs, top executive jobs are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Mars is in 11th house in Virgo sign, then you have long life. You will not have any diseases. You are powerful, extrovert, wealthy. You get benefit from your friends, but you will also have lot of enemies. If you are a female, you prosper after your marriage, but there may be problems in your marital life. This position is not good for your sons. Mars from 11th house aspects 2nd house, 5th house and 6th house. Therefore, 2nd house, 5th house, 6th house and 11th houses are favorable houses. Own business or high end jobs, food industry, hotel business, creative fields are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Mars is in 12th house in Libra sign, then you are attracted towards opposite sex. You enjoy bed pleasures. You have connection with foreign countries. If you do business related to foreign countries, you prosper well. You are materialistic person. If Mars is afflicted in your birth chart, you may be falsely implicated in criminal cases. You may also suffer head injuries. You may have bad marital life. Mars from 12th house aspects 3rd house, 6th house and 7th house. Therefore, 3rd house, 6th house, 7th house and 12th houses are favorable houses. Foreign travel agencies, foreign related services, communication fields, own business are favorable to you. The favorable conjunctions for Scorpio ascendant are Moon, Sun and Mars, Moon and Mars, Jupiter and Moon, Jupiter and Sun, Jupiter. These are favorable conjunctions. For complete horoscope reading, you can contact me. My mail ID is solarastro9@gmail.com. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications and latest updates.